ladies and gentlemen, Devon from DCON here, and today I'm going to be unboxing Bowers Wilkins PX headphones. These are their latest noise-canceling Bluetooth headphones, which are Qualcomm APTx compliant. These were released in November of 2017, and I'm really excited to finally get my hands on them. So first out of the box, we have the headphones. I personally opted for the space gray variant. They are also available in a blue and gold version. Overall, they are made of nice materials and aren't overly heavy. As you can see, each outer cup has B&W's branding, while the inner cups are made of a nice leather padding. And as I attempt to remove the inner tray here, I thought there were documents in there. Turns out I was wrong, and it's just a sticker reminding you to download the application. With that removed, we get the carrying pouch. Inside the pouch, we find our documents, which consist of a quick start guide, another reminder to download the accompanying application, and lastly, we have information on our 1-year warranty. Also inside the pouch is the included cables. First, we have the Type-C to Type-A USB cable. Secondly, we have a basic male-to-male 3.5mm audio cable. And last out of the box is the carrying pouch. The pouch itself is made of a nice padded material and latches shut via 2 magnets. The inside is fleece lined and has plenty of room for the headphones, and even has a smaller secondary pocket for the included cables. Well, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe if you're interested in the upcoming review video. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.